How to navigate USCIS Form I-485 for immigration. Imagine turning a long, complicated process into a clear, simple step-by-step journey. That's what understanding how to handle the USCIS Form I-485 can do for you. If you are already in the United States and want to become a lawful permanent resident, this form is your key. It's used to apply for a green card, which means you can live and work in the U.S. legally. For many Latino families, especially those adjusting status through family ties like marriage or parent-child relationships, knowing how to complete this form correctly is very important. First, gather all your documents before you start filling out the form. You will need passport-style photos, a government-issued ID with your photo, and your birth certificate or an acceptable alternative if you don't have it. You also need proof that you entered the U.S. legally, like an I-90 for arrival record or parole document. If you filed an immigrant petition like the I-130 for your family member, include the receipt or approval notice. Don't forget a medical exam report from a USCIS-approved doctor, called Form I-693. If any documents are in another language, you must provide a certified translation in English. When completing the form, use black ink or type your answers. Answer every question fully. If a question doesn't apply, write NA or none as instructed. You will need to provide your full name, date of birth, country of birth, and details about your parents and marital history. If you have children, include their information too. Be careful with dates and names to match your official documents exactly to avoid delays. Pay close attention to questions about your immigration history and current status. If you have a criminal record or security concerns, answer honestly. For family-based applications, you will need to give details about your spouse, including their immigration status, and any children applying with you. If your answers need more space, use Part 14 or attach a separate sheet. Always include your alien registration number if you have one. Check the current fee for filing the form, which is usually around $800, and make sure to include the correct payment. Do not send original documents unless asked. Make copies of everything you send for your records. After you file, you will get a receipt notice with a case number. Use this number to track your application online. USCIS may schedule an interview to verify your information. Be prepared to answer questions about your application and provide additional documents if asked. For Latino families, it's helpful to get assistance from community organizations or legal aid services experienced with immigration forms. They can help ensure your answers are clear and correct. Remember to keep your documents organized and stay aware of deadlines, especially for medical exams or other supporting evidence. The process can take several months to over a year, so patience is key. If you're unsure about any part of the form or process, talking to an immigration attorney or accredited representative can save you time and prevent mistakes. Filling out USCIS Form I-485 carefully and accurately is a big step toward your goal of becoming a permanent resident. Taking your time, gathering everything needed, and answering honestly will help your application move smoothly and get you closer to your new life in the United States.